Hi everybody and welcome back. Today I'm doing a natural glam full face makeup tutorial. You heard me right, full face makeup tutorial, okay? Let's get started. This is the PIXI Clarity Mist. It's supposed to be really good before makeup, so I started off with that and I really liked it. And then for primer, this is the e.l.f. Power Grip. Also really like this, can't complain. And then this is my brightener, under eye brightener by Half Cake Cosmetics. It's their Star Bright brightener. I don't know the shade, but I will leave it down below. I don't like putting a ton of product underneath my eyes, but this is really nice. It's thin and it really brightens up my under eyes, as you can see here. I'm using e.l.f. Halo Glow. This is the shade Fair Light, just as like a glowy base. And then I am going to be using the Too Faced Healthy Glow foundation. I really like this. It's not my favorite foundation, but it's really nice. I've been wearing it every day for work. It gives really good coverage. It's not as glowy as I would think. And it says moisturizing skin tint. And I think it gives a really good amount of coverage. But on me, I have dry skin. It's not very glowy, which I don't mind at all. And then my favorite bronzing contour stick ever. This is by LYS Beauty. It's in the shade Motivate. Guys, this is the creamiest contour stick, bronzer stick, whatever you want to call it, ever. It is so good, so creamy. It blends out in no time. I can go on forever about this product, but I love it, and this shade for fair skin, perfect. Cream blush, this is my favorite right now. It's by Wet n Wild. It's in Peach Bums, and I'm taking my flat top brush by Sonia Kashuk. I think this is discontinued, but this is like one of my first brushes that I ever bought myself, so I will never throw it out, and it's perfect to apply cream products. I think she has something similar, so does Eco Tools, you know what I mean, but love that. Look how pretty that freaking blush is, okay? Eyebrows done really quickly. I wish I could do them that fast normally. This is the Wet n Wild Always Naked palette, and I'm just doing something very simple on the eyes, a little bit of definition with this transition color. You guys can barely see it on my skin, but it's, you know, adds a little something. And then I'm taking the lightest shade in the palette, not the lightest, but that cream color, putting that all over my lid just to add a little something, you know. And then I am going in with that dark chocolatey shade and doing wings on both of my eyes. You guys know the drill when it comes to concealer. So Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, and of course I always sharpen up my edges of my eyeshadow, but also my wings. It just transforms them. They look so good after. And then I also conceal right underneath my eye, so I don't have any like purple blue. To set my under eyes today, I'm using the Givenchy PRISME Libre Loose Powder, setting that, pressing that in with those Amazon puffs. They're in my Amazon link. They're so good, life-changing. And then for the lower lash line, it's simple, the dark brown right on the edges, and then I blended that out with the transition color that I used. And then lashes, I wasn't a fan of these. They're by Kiss. They're the Angel Eyes. Not my favorite, but I went with it, okay? Favorite bronzer, as you guys can tell, L'Oreal Pro Matte. This is in light medium. It's a really good shade for me, and I'm very fair. So I love this bronzer. It doesn't make me look dry or anything like that. It blends out really nice, so can't complain. It's my favorite. Covering up that double chin, okay? At least I'm trying. Powder blush, this is my favorite powder blush ever. I've had this for years. It's the BALM's Hot Mama. I can't get enough, okay? I love it so much. And it goes perfectly with that Wet n Wild blush that I used earlier. I'm baking because I'm a millennial. I'm a millennial, okay? I have to bake. LYS Beauty, I love all their stuff, guys. I just can't help it. This is a highlighter. I don't know the shade, but it's beautiful. I love it. I recommend it 100%. And then I do highlight in the inner corner and right below my eyebrow, just ties everything together. And then it is time to wipe all that baking off. So I'm doing that. And then lips. Oh, I also like to really press in with a sponge too. I feel like it helps blending everything. Okay, lips. MAC Strip Down, and then Wet n Wild Cloud Pout in Fluffernutter. Beautiful, beautiful. Setting that with the PIXI Makeup Fixing Mist, and then done, guys. Finito. I love this. It's natural, not really natural, but it's, you don't want to go too crazy, but you want to look put together, you know? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Blah, I cannot speak, okay? I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.